Hey everyone, I've been getting constant pics about my score of 90 in PTE. So I just thought of starting a YouTube channel with a list of videos, sharing my success journey with everyone so that it would help a wider range of students who are pursuing a score of 65 plus or 79 plus or even 90 in that matter. Um, so this is my scorecard in very first place. So I've got 90 after a preparation for 4 months. I was about to write my exam in 3 months, but it got postponed and on due to different personal reasons. So finally, I gave my exam in the fourth month. So in this video, I'd be just covering what was my preparation strategy, what all mock tests that I um, took, and what exactly is my study plan and what study groups I was part of, what YouTube channels I followed, what are the templates that I followed. Um, so these are the things that I would basically cover in this video. And this is an exam that I took in 27th November 2021, um, which was a very lucky day for me, um, considering that all the hard work paid off. So I'm pretty happy with my results. I would just like to share this video about my preparation strategy so that, as I said before, it would help you guys, right? So this was my preparation materials overall. So initially, when I started off, I was not about exactly sure about the PT structure as such, the scoring, how each task are evaluated. Is there a negative marking in place? What are the high weightage tasks? So these are the things which you need to know even before you start your PT preparation, right? You need to get familiar with all the 20 different task types which are out there and the weightage for each one of those task types and what is the exact strategy that has to be followed for each one of those questions in this exam. Um, so the plan is either you can do a self study or you can avail some kind of a coaching. So to begin with, I actually read a lot of materials and Google, YouTube, but there is no exact strategy that I had. I read few blogs where people achieve 90 and they were following lots and lots of materials, YouTube videos and everything. But there should be some kind of a limited material and a fixed study plan that you should follow, right? You cannot just study everything that is there on the internet. So I actually began my journey with PTA tutorials. Uh, I went for a coaching because I was not there with my exact study plan, right? I didn't know the exact strategy. I couldn't see any videos which had this exact study plan, which I am trying to put there for you guys so that you can begin with. So those kind of things were missing. So I actually had to begin somewhere. So that's why I joined PT tutorials, coaching group coaching, and it was very efficient. The each and every question types are elaborated in detail, and tips and tricks have been shared. Practice materials have been shared, so it was effective, and you also get to practice. And I got to know there is a group which is available which you can join. So those are different things which I actually got to know. Okay, so there is actually two types of plans I would suggest you guys. If you're ready to invest some time into going into those videos and trying to come up with your own strategy or follow the strategy that I'm going to suggest you now, then just go ahead and do it, right? In case if you cannot invest the time and you're not well versed in English. So for example, I come from a pretty much strong educational background, so all I have to do is get familiar with the different question types, and I need not spend much time with the fundamentals like grammar, spelling and all. But in case if you come from a background where you're not pretty strong in your foundations, then I suggest you do join coaching, right? Either somewhere in Language Academy or PT tutorials. With respect to the economical standards, I would say PT tutorial is relatively cheaper with respect to group coaching. Language Academy is a bit on the expensive side. So this is the exact strategy that I followed. So and I put that in the slide as well. So I actually joined these two Telegram study groups, Language Academy and PT Tutorials. So you need not be pretty active in these two groups. All you have to do is just be a silent spectator and just go over these questions which different students ask, just to get familiar yourself, right? For example, you get to know information about um, where people are struggling, what are the high weightage tasks, where the mock tests are available, and not I'm not sure if many of you know, there is even a discount code that you can apply for your mock test, and you get I think 1,500 or 1,000 as a discount, apart from the ones that you directly go on website and apply it. So these are the different kinds of things that you get to know from your Telegram study groups, and it is absolutely free. All you have to do is just go to Telegram, search for these two groups, Language Academy PT and PTU tutorials. You get to join them, and you will see different discussions going on. And there are also free expert sessions that happens, so which you can join. It's absolutely free. There are many tips and tricks materials that have been shared. All you have to go is just go to the study groups, go to the file section. You'll see different templates there. So these you have abundant materials in these two study groups, and I would recommend you to join. Next, with respect to YouTube channels, Language Academy is simply awesome, right? I would recommend the templates and strategies that Varun is using for his mock exams. So, Language Academy videos are rock solid. So, I recommend each one of you to go over his strategies to pursue 90. I personally followed it. Real PT is something which you get daily memories. So you just get as a notification on the daily memories that people have posted. Just you'll always be in touch even without a single day break if you just subscribe to these two channels, VLPT and Pete Language Academy. Then coming back to free preparations websites, then you have AP Uni, which is free, and if you have to avail to the AI scoring, then you have to pay cost for it. When I say AI scoring, things like essay, SWT, SST, repeat sentence, wherever you need speaking task. So wherever you need to listen to it and do auto recording, then you need AI scoring. For example, things like um, reading or um, if you want to just go over the practice materials which are there, prediction files which are there, you don't need to actually pay for it in AP Uni. So I actually followed. I initially paid, but then I regretted that I actually paid because I found that Language Academy has an AI scoring, so I need not depend on AP Uni for AI scoring. So whenever you need AI scoring task, you can go to Language Academy. Whenever you need to practice prediction materials or non-AI score related materials, then you go to App Uni. So these are the two preparation materials that I followed. Language Academy is absolutely free end to end. Okay. Then coming back to mock tests, you have free mock test and PT tutorials. You have 79 score, Language Academy. Then the final one is PT official mock exam, right? So that is definitely that you need to take because nothing is closer to this PTL PT Pearson's official mock test. I can bet you. None of the other websites have an absolutely rock solid or a robust AI scoring algorithm in place, right? And sometimes what happens is you tend to demotivate yourself by actually practicing in these materials because, for example, I did read aloud like 30 times and repeat sentence. Sometimes I don't get that score in AP Uni. Okay, then I actually realize it's more of an algorithm that is based on Chinese voice modulations. So unless you have that modulation, it scores you less, and that is not the right way to practice as well. So just have the right platform in place to prepare, and never worry about your score unless and until you go and take your PT official mock exam, right? Language Academy is pretty close, I would say. PT tutorial is way behind. So if you want to depend on your scores, I would suggest 79 score is decent. Language Academy is okay, and the most accurate one is your official PT mock exam. And I would definitely suggest you to take it because your exam is around 10,000 plus, and your mock exam is around 3,000, right? So you don't want to waste your 10,000 and save this 3,000 money, right? Rather, you can invest on this 3,000 for taking this PT official mock exam and get to know where you stand, and then further you can actually take the exam. So these are the things which I would recommend to you. With respect to templates, blindly go with Language Academy templates which are available there. With respect to practice, go to AP Uni and Language Academy. And with respect to mock test, follow these four, right? So 4 weeks before your exam, every weekend, just take one mock test in each one of these: PT tutorial, 79 score, language academy, and PT official score exam. This is how my journey went in. Initially, when I got to know the exam format, I was familiar with the exam types. I took an exam in PT tutorial. I was really low. I got a score of 55. I was completely lost there. Okay, I never thought that I would be this weak. Okay, so then I slowly started to know the template strategies and all that. Then I actually improved myself. And PT tutorials tests are usually harder, especially the repeat sentence. The AI algorithm is all very difficult. And even though you're writing this exam for a scale of 90, usually the scale is 110 or 105 or 100. Okay, so people think that if I have to get a score of 90, you have to get all the questions right. Absolutely no. I am sure that I've made 2 to 3 questions wrong in my real exam and I got a score of 90. So it doesn't mean that you have to get all the questions correct to get a score of 90. All you have to do is get into the scale of 100, and you score 90, you get a full score. That's how the AI algorithm works. Okay, so so just ensure that you keep practicing more and more. And the first mock test, I took it in 79 score, I got 71. Then I got to know my weak areas where I'm actually losing. I was actually losing in essay, I was actually losing in uh, answer the short questions. I was missing in few listening question types. And always go over your mock test. For example, whenever you take a mock test, there are analytics applicable, there are different questions. Each go over each questions and see where you lost, where you gained. That way you get to know where you are actually lacking, so that you can work on those areas. There's no point of working on this, practicing again and again and again, if you're not working on your weak areas, right? So I suggest you actually work on your weak areas, and sometimes getting to know these weak areas and knowing where you're lacking also requires some kind of assistance. So you can always reach out to me. You just ping me in this comment chat with your probably your telegram group name or your number. I'll be happy to reach out to you. Then there's language academy. I took 2 weeks before the exam. And PT mock exam, I actually took it 1 week before the exam. So finally, when I reached the PT real exam, there were a couple of questions which I got from the AP Uni prediction file, and rest all were new. Okay, but what I ensured is I just ensured that I followed the right strategies for each question type, and I'll be posting my strategies and templates that I followed in my subsequent videos. So this is just an heads up video on where to start with, right? So when I began, I didn't even know PT tutorials, language academy, there are mock tests available, none of that, right? So this is just a knowledge sharing video to know where to start with, because there are abundant materials which are there, which you can always avail. Most of them are free of cost, and you can always reach the maximum score. Thank you.